Hey guys, it's Saturday, not Friday, and I'm sorry about that, but my sister's home, and we were doing stuff with her, and that's about my only excuse. Tori, you made a video this week, but you didn't post it. I am very upset with you. And Stacy, I understand why you didn't make a video, probably why you didn't make a video, because, I know your testing is really hard right now, and you're getting out of school pretty soon, so that's good. And I wish you the best of luck. And if you're wondering what I'm eating, they're these. And they're really good. And, yeah. And I currently have a Sophie on my lap. Lay down. Good girl. And she can't have them. But she thinks she can. But she can't have them because they're chocolate. Dark chocolate, actually. Lay down. But I'm basically just rambling about my chocolate and my dog. And Katie, I don't think you asked any questions. And if you did, I didn't write them down. So, I'm sorry. Basically, my life has become lay down. Studying, eating, sleeping, and watching Channel 27, which is the home and gardening network. I really like that network. Lay down, Sophie. Lay down. Good girl. But that's basically my life right now. It was the refrigerator. Anyway, yeah. Well, the only other new thing with me is the angle of my computer. I showed you a new vantage point of my living room, or of my den, and so I guess I'll try to show you another one next week. Cassidy should be here on Friday, so you'll get to see her face. She was the one in one of my previous videos. Okay, well, I'm going to go back to eating and sitting here. And happy early Mother's Day to all of you non-mothers on the channel. It was Zane! Guys, calm down. Sorry for the yelling. I gotta go. Bye, guys.